Okay, so this is our Peugeot 307 hatchback. Not like phase 2. Today we are working on mechanical parts of the car. We are changing the timing belts, auxiliary belt, and a few other things. When we started the work, we realized that this dual belt tensioner. The old one was a little bad, so I had to order for a new one. The dual belt tensioner for TU5JP4 Peugeot engine. So this is a brand new one. Then this one too. Okay, hold on. Okay, see. So this is the old crankshaft pulley that we removed while trying to get to the timing belt. So as you can see, the bushing here is already failed already. So I was about to give up. Luckily, we intercepted this one. The other new one, the brand new one, OEM. Right. So yeah, this is it. We got it how much? 15,000. While this one is about 6,000. We're already putting the timing belt into this section. As you can see, this is a new belt. The old one, they'll turn it away. So when we removed the timing, we realized that with the old timing belt, we realized that this oil seals, the camshaft oil seals were bad. We are looking, so we have to change them as well. So he's trying to set the timing tension among other things. So I'll probably update you guys when we are done with setting the timing.